What's going on? It's Boom Media. It's your boy Deontay Boom. Today we got an unboxing of a Korg Volca Modular. I've been waiting to get my hands on a modular or a semi-modular synthesizer for quite some time now. So we're gonna open it up, get a first look at it. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Software bundle card. Focused on it real quick. This little sheet, don't know what that is, but we got that. Patching reference sheet. Let's get a good look at that. The manual. You know I gotta dive in it so I can get the full understanding of this beast. Got patch cables. Got the batteries. Have an AC adapter. I'm probably gonna order one here soon. So bam, here's the machine. Oh, here's the synth. Korg Volca Modular. To go along with the rest of my Korg ensemble, I have a Korg electrode sampler and a Korg monologue. I'm a bit of a Korg fanboy these days. Well, yeah. Let you get a good look at that. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is take a look at some of these basic patches. Definitely gonna be studying this module reference card a lot. But we're gonna run through all four of these patches. I got it connected to the Korg electrode just so I can have like a backing track and some MIDI clock, keep it on tempo. So yeah, gonna do that real quick. Alright, so the first patch we're gonna patch is this basic modulator at second VCO patch. Let me get it focused in. This joint right here. Red joint. Patch that down. Down. Second one. Swear. That sound kind of cool right there. All right, that was the modulator is the second VCO patch. Let's get into this Portamento patch. Really like that patch, you know what I mean? I already played with this yesterday, I believe. But yeah, let's get into that. Yeah, see, these patches is much more simple than the ones they got inside of the user manual, like 2 or 3 wires. But I imagine that's the way I'm gonna be using it most of the time. For the type of music I do. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, the way you shape tones on here, oh man, I love it. I know it's much more fun to shape sounds on this Volca Modular than this Korg Modular right here. Facts, like without a doubt, much more fun to shape sounds on this little small box right here. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot in my production. But that was the portamento patch. We're gonna get into this LFO modulation patch next. Let's let you get a little peek at that. This joint right here. We're gonna get into this one. So yeah, let me make sure I got my knobs at the right time. For the most part, yeah. Let's see what we got. This now where the fun begins with this patch. Cooler sounds, and this is just the sequence that that came preloaded on this Volca Modular. So I ain't really got down to making my own melodies, my own grooves, nothing like that yet. But we would definitely get into that in some later videos. Bam. So we patched up. Hear that ring modulation. You definitely can hear it. Add a little bit of space to it. So yeah, as you can see, this thing can make all kinds of sounds, man. And these 4 little patches ain't doing, these barely scratching the surface, man. So I know I'm about to have a lot of fun messing around with this. So